guys, welcome to my channel. This is JOYCE the Explorer Hk. So for today's video, we are here now at Snoopy Islands. Snoopy Islands consists of Tai CHAU and TSIM CHAU, located at Big Wave Bay or Tai Long Wan at Saikung. It looks like lying Snoopy when it seems to hamtin. So as we can see from here now, guys, we explore this place, and this is the famous rock pool. And we are going to we are explored Snoopy rock formation, as we can see right now here at the video. And we also explored sea caves, tunnel sea caves here in Tai CHAU, and so nice. This place is really very nice, and Tai CHAU is a very big island here bigger island here in Snoopy Island. This cave is a tunnel cave that passes through the island, Tai CHAU, the bigger island of Snoopy Island. And later I'm gonna show you how it look like. And this tunnel cave is really very nice, very huge, very calming. But the thing is, we're only 4 Filipina who enter inside, and our groups already went to the other part of this island, and we're not enough time to go in, or to go through until to the end of this tunnel. But I'm gonna show you later the other side of the opening of this tunnel cave.
So this is how it looks like. Let's go inside. Sabay-sabay tayo. Dito kayo mag-isip para bukod. Hindi kayo nilalangan ko sa kanya. Papasok ba tayo sa loob? Sana ba sila pumasok? Madilim na eh. Wala na. Hanggang dito na lang ang nagmamahal, Joyce. Tunnel? Buti kung may maano. Pupunta ka. Wala, 4 lang tayo?
Sea caves or littoral caves are formed primarily from erosion caused by waves. They can be formed along the ocean coast and lake shores where water impacts bedrock. Most sea caves are formed along weaknesses in the rock, such as faults, fractures, or beddings. Foliations flame can occur in nearly every type of the rock.
Daong nga na! May helipad! May helipad! Ano ba yung sabi nila na papapukin? Pero nasan sila? Ba't hindi naman sila pumunta dito Diyan lang sila sa bungad. Madilim na kaya.
And here it is. This is the other side opening of the tunnel cave that we went earlier. So this is how it looked like. So our boat are already waiting for us to transfer to the big boat to go to the other island. After the posturing, we
go the hiking. Oh no, nasa may magtama ko. Wala na, hosting tayo ulit. The time is beautiful. Ganda ng lugar. Oh, so even mga kasama namin dun. Pagkagaling dyan, punta tayo dito. Saan na siya? Asa na siya? Sumunod din pa. Ang layo na nila, oh! Oh my God, ayun o yung cave! Ah, hindi raw yun. May liko. Ah, oh. Oh.
So we're not going there?
唔好跟住佢哋。 Okay.
你可以喺入邊呢度再影相，入邊都好靚嘅。
呢個
係啦。
哦。
如果再跟住佢哋去咧，去兜去嗰頭咧，啲船唔識揾你哋啦。
Oh, iba,
唔係我哋嘅。
iba raw yan. Uy tayo, dito daw, maganda raw dito.
Kasama ba siya doon sa ano?
Ayun ang hindi ko alam.
Kasi parang nag-dive man siya eh.
Nasaan yun ang kasama?
去嗰邊，但係咧一陣間都要翻嚟呢度。3.9。
Oh, haya kasama natin. Haya something. Aha. 3:45.
係啊，45。翻
Something.
嚟頭先嗰度。
Tao si Tito. Oh. Word for today, nanindot na ibay na blue sky na blue sea. Teka lang, bye, doon ako punta. Maunsa naman na. Uy, sorry naman guys. Adik lang. Sige, mag-picture sila doon. Ako mag-video. Ang ganda ng view ko dito. Kaya. Oh, nice. Nice sky. Wow. Ah. Wow. Yahoo! Wow. Ayun na yung boat na sinakyan namin. Tapos small boat para sa pag-catch namin. Ayan. Oh, so nice. The whole place is awesome. This rock formation is amazing. Wow. Wow, how can we go there? There's something. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And then our boat is over there. So 3:45 we must reach there. Wow, so nice. Wow, so pretty. There's another. Kaya ba? Whoa.
Wow! Sea caves or littoral caves are formed primarily from erosion caused by waves. They can be formed along the ocean coast and lake shores where water impacts bedrock. Most sea caves are formed along weaknesses in the rock such as faults, fractures, or beddings. Foliations flame can occur in nearly every type of the rock. The impact of a seawater on rocks is very powerful. In some places, there are some caves hollowed out by the waves on the cliffs of the coast. Such caves are called sea caves. There are many bedrock islands here in Hong Kong. Among the many bedrock islands, there are not only good beach harbors but also many interesting rock formation. As we can see from here now in the Snoopy Islands, this is so as one of the most beautiful sea caves too here. So let's enjoy.
Finally, we've done to explore this place.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.